What you guys, got another video here for you. Graphics card market prices have gone absolutely mad. Have a look on eBay at some of the prices for these used graphics cards and you'll be blown away of how much they're being sold for. Now, all of these are used and they are being sold. These are the Radeon RX 580 8GB cards, and you can see they are in excess of £350, which is absolutely crazy. This is a really old card, and you can see people are still buying them, even with these generic images that you can get off the internet, and you can't even see the card, which means you don't know what sort of condition it's in. It could be, you know, damaged, could be full of dust and nicotine in there. You just don't know. And of course, this one is being sold for like £510, which says new, not used, but they still want £510 for it. I mean, that's a really lot of money. That's a serious graphics card you can buy with that when the market comes back to us in the future. But he's going to regret paying £510 for a used RX 580. Now, a lot of people were probably selling their RX 580s not long ago. And again, people are now starting to buy them again. You can see here, these are the graphics cards in America for the same sort of prices. RX 580s being sold in excess of $500, and they're selling these really fast. You can see this is March the 1st and they've sold loads already. So who's buying them? Is it PC flippers that are buying them? Well, picture this: if you're selling a PC for $500, trying to build a $500 PC, and you're sticking in a $500 RX 580 in there, I mean, you're now charging $1,000 for a PC that's just not even worth $1,000. That's when it becomes a bit of a problem. But yeah, I don't know who's buying them. Some people just need to really hold back a little bit because they're definitely not worth that much money for a used RX 580. Now, there's so many PC repair shops that have eBay sites, and they repair these and reball them and resell them. And again, if you're one of those people that's buying these, then you're going to end up getting your fingers burnt. Now, look at these here, still buying these cards for $400+ on a generic, on a generic picture. And these are the 570s, RX 570s, still going for stupid money for an RX 570. So be very careful if you're looking to buy a graphics card right now, because I was looking to build a used PC and I've just scrapped the whole idea because I'm not spending that sort of money on used hardware, especially of that caliber. It's just not worth it. And I'm pretty sure that in a few months the prices will come back down, and then you're going to be left with a card that you paid an absolute fortune for, and you're not going to be able to reclaim back any of that money, which is a bit worrying. So let's take a look here at the GTX 1070 Ti. Now, this was a really good card back in the day. It's still a pretty decent card, but you can see here, it's getting a bit tired now, but these have been around for a while and they're still demanding £360 or £370 around that sort of price point, which is a lot of money for a GTX 1070 Ti. Now, of course, there's other cards out there that if you can get your hands on them, that I would buy before I buy this GTX 1070. And at the moment, you just can't get cards. And there's a big, massive shortage of all types of cards, like the RTX 3090, the RTX 3080, the RTX 3070, and also the RTX 3060 Ti, and now the RTX 3060, which was done just recently. I tried to get one, and guess what? You can't get them. You just can't get them. And yet, YouTubers are doing reviews on them, and there is no way you'll get your hands on any of those cards. So they're all pointless videos, really. And it's just teasing you. But the GTX 1070 Ti in America has gone up as well. This is $500 for this one here. This is the AMP version. It's still a very decent card, but again, stupid prices. It really is for these cards. I just really can't see myself buying those at that price. Not now. And again, it's a high risk thing because you don't know where these cards have been, what sort of life they've had, and it's a big risk. And it's a lot of money too, because that will buy you a decent card when all these new cards do become in stock. Looking at these ones here, these are the RTX 2060s. Again, these are, reasonable prices. People are still bidding on some of these. Let me just show you the sold now prices for these, and you'll be shocked at the RTX 2060s and how much they're going for. So you can see here, they're going for quite a bit of money too. $750, $650 for that little card. Wow. That's just crazy. That's $650 for an RTX 2060 small card like that. Can't believe it. I really can't. Now, of course, it's going to be crypto miners who take the blame for a lot of this stuff. And to be honest, I don't think it is all of their fault. There is so much going on in the world right now, and there's more serious things going on in the world than worrying about graphics cards. And I just think that there's major, places in China that create all of this stuff. They've all been shut for many months, and I just think there's a massive backlog. And of course, there's new stuff coming out and high demand for all sorts of stuff. And I think there's more demand for, you know, other things in the world than worrying about things like this. So I think it's just going to take, been put on the back burner a little bit, and maybe when we get back on our feet, things will come back to some sort of normality. But until then, things will go crazy as they are right now. So again, look at these 1080 Ti's going for $770. Wow. So again, it's entirely up to you whether you buy these cards at these prices. I certainly won't. And it's the same thing with the brand new cards. You can't even get one. They're all out of stock, or they're all waiting for pre-orders. And again, people are giving their money. I would not do a pre-order on these cards either, because there's no guarantee that you're going to get one. So yeah, so don't overpay for these sort of things. Just it'll settle down, and just give it time, and we'll come back to some sort of normality in the future. But check out those prices for the 5600 XTs as well. $600 and $800, and they're £400, £500. It's quite a lot of money for a 5600 XT. And some of them have stock images like these ones as well, which I would steer clear of. And remember, there's also going to be a lot of scamming going on, so be very, very careful when you're looking to buy cards. And even the 5700 XTs are going for nearly £700 or £770 here. Wow. Anyway, I think that's going to be about it for this video. Thanks again for watching. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Have a great day, and I shall see you again for another video real soon. Bye for now.